Hi, my name's Carrie Belanger. I'm the president of the Port Coquitlam Rotary Club, and I also oversee the Repair Café here in Port Coquitlam. We're a sustainability initiative partnership program between the Rotary Club and the city of Port Coquitlam, where a team of volunteers come together once a month to repair items, diverting them from the landfill. We also have a strong focus on sharing knowledge and teaching people how to repair things for themselves. So we're here once a month, typically the first Saturday of every month. However, if that Saturday falls on a holiday weekend, we do push it to the following weekend. We're here from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock at 1737 Broadway Street. That is the Public Works Building of Port Coquitlam. Typically, we see lots of variety of items coming through our doors. We see a lot of toys, lamps, bicycles, vacuums, and we have such a great repair rate in helping to keep those items alive and in good working order. So you're welcome to bring them on down and see how our volunteers can help you.
I've been here in Repair Cafe once a month for the last two years, and we get one of the sew machine like this once every 2 months, and we try to figure out what the client brings in a statement indicating what the problem is, and we try to solve the problem. So we can look up through the internet, we can look up the model number, and we can go on the internet with our phone and try to find the parts that we need. We can take things apart, and it's some machines are actually more complicated you might think. We struggle with these things as much as anybody would, because we're not a service industry. We're just Mr. and Mrs. Fix It. So we try to help the clients, and we get about 72% success rate. The premise that we do in Repair Cafe is we want to keep things out of the landfill. So we try to repair them so that people can resurface them, and that way save the city and save each individual a lot of money by just saving what they have. I talked to a lady from the Philippines, and he says, "We never throw out anything. We always fix it." So it's just a different culture. Most of us here are all retired, and so we have time on our hands. So we donate our time once a month, and it's actually a lot of fun. We enjoy it every month. So, and I've been coming here for 2 years, every month, so it's fun.
To find out more information about the Repair Cafe and our upcoming dates, you can find us on the City of Port Coquitlam's website, on Facebook, or email us at repaircafepoco@gmail.com.